Now for the unpackaging.
I already unpackaged it. So I purchased this nail drill off of Amazon. It was like $39.99, and I've had one of those cheapo $15.99 ones, the pink and blue nail drills before, when I tried to attempt to first do nails, and it was just a complete mess. Every time I tried to file down a nail, it always stopped when it touched the nail. So I knew this time when I wanted to purchase and get back into doing nails, I knew I wanted to purchase a good one. Of course, I always look at the reviews and see how many people have reviewed it. So this one, I found that it seems the most reasonable as far as pricing. It had good reviews. I think it had a 4.5 out of a 5 on Amazon with like 150 reviews. So I was pretty confident in getting this. Like I said, it was only $39.99. 2-day shipping if you have Amazon Prime. But yeah, I already opened it and tested it out, so to speak, and I do like it, but I wanted to put everything back just to show everyone what's in it when I got it. It was packaged well. There's no breaks in any of the items that I received. So when you first open it, I first really didn't know it came with all this. I guess I just didn't read the description enough, but it came with 2 sets of 3D nail seals, just flowers. As you can see, I haven't opened them, so I don't know if there's more than one sheet, but I'm assuming there's not. As well, it came with 4 nail files. I like the curved ones. Obviously, it's easier to get on the sides, and then 2 straight ones. And it came with instructions, of course. It kind of tells you which each nail bit is for. It kind of tells you what it also comes with, a stand and things. And then on the back of the page, it's going to show you the instructions. Pretty simple instructions, especially if you're new to doing nails like me. It's kind of like the first thing you want to look for. I don't know about anyone else, but I've never used a foot what is it called? Foot pedal. I've never used a foot pedal before, so I was excited to try this. And yeah, so instructions. So it's called Mercedes 25,000 Professional Electronic Nail Machine. Like I said, I've already opened this, so it's going to be a little messy. But it comes with a lot of extra nail bits. I thought that was nice because I know how fast I'm probably going to go through them. And of course, it comes with your regular ones. Obviously, I've already used one. And it comes with all the other ones. You can always refer back to your instructions, and it'll kind of tell you which ones are which and what you kind of use them for, as far as thick surface of nail, cones and bunions, ingrown toenails, things like that. As well, it comes with another buffer, shiner, usually the 4-step thing. If you buy another nail kit through Amazon or eBay or whatever, usually these are always in there. It's always nice to have, especially the shining part. That's my favorite. But yeah.
Is that like a buffering? Or?
Yeah, it kind of has like everything, and then you shine. It has a shiny part.
Nice.
Yeah. My husband's recording for me.
I'm going to use that for my toesy.
Like I said, it comes with a really cool purple stand. I don't know if it's going to be the same color for every package, but I really like this because it's really flexible too. So I thought that was nice, but it fits perfectly with it, and I'll show you. Oh, okay, let me finish. So it comes with some rhinestones. The really small ones. Don't ask me what size they are because I forgot the sizes. But of course, you can see all the colors, so that's nice. And then it comes with the toe separator. Not gonna lie, it's pretty cheap. I think I'll probably tear it when I use it. But hey, it came with it right now. Why not? So let's see. So you have your foot pedal. It's not bad as far as like the material. It's pretty nice. It doesn't feel cheap, so to speak. And then of course you have your actual drill, so to speak. It's not too heavy. Like, it's really nice. Like I said, if you have that purple, not that purple one, excuse me, but the blue one or the pink one, the $15 one, I remember it was really light, and it was just so cheap feeling. This is really nice. It feels really nice. It's like metal. I don't know if different colors come with it. From the picture, when I ordered it, it was blue. So I'm assuming they're all blue.
It's
But,
good weight distribution.
yeah, it's a good weight distribution. When you're using it, you don't feel like it's too heavy, like it's gonna fall out of your hand. It feels really nice. Like I said, it comes with a stand, and it fits in the stand pretty well. Like there's no moving it too much. Doesn't fall out. It's really nice. So, of course, you have your machine itself. Pull it out. So you have your on and off switch. You have the plug for your drill itself. The light lets you know when it's on. You have your speeds. It's gonna start, when you get it, it's gonna be on the lowest speed. So don't freak out thinking it's not working when you plug it in. You just gotta raise the speed up. The back, you have your fuse. I haven't touched the fuse, so I don't know if there's a specific reason, but I'm just not gonna touch it. When you read the instructions, it's going to tell you to, plug in the electric cord, then the lamp of the transformer will turn on. I'm assuming this is your turn. Okay, so when you plug it in, it says on the instructions that the lamp transformer will turn on. I'm assuming this is the transformer. I'm assuming this little light was supposed to turn on. For me, it didn't turn on. So I thought that was bad, but turns out it's okay. So when you plug it in, pretend I plugged it in, and you plug in all your tools and stuff. Oh, and then the foot literally says foot, and then you just plug it in. It's not that hard. So at first I thought it wasn't working, and I started thinking the worst. But so there's a few different things that we figured out. One thing that we figured out is that if you have your foot pedals plugged in with it, if you push your foot pedal, of course it turns on. Well, let me put a nail bit in before I...
Well, you don't have to. You just have to turn that fuse on.
Okay. Well, obviously you see when you push on your foot pedal, the light will turn on.
But no activity.
But no activity, obviously. So, like I said, when you first receive the drill, it's going to be at the lowest speed. So you're just going to turn it up a little bit, and then you're going to push your foot pedal now, and then you can hear it.
Nice.
Obviously, I don't have a nail bit in it right now, but that's how the foot pedal works. Now, if you take the foot pedal out completely, you just unplug it. All you have to do is now turn it on, and it's going to automatically stay on. You can still, of course, change the speeds. Don't know how high you want it. But without the foot pedal, it's just it stays on no matter what. Now, I've used it. I haven't used it as high, nor have I used it on acrylic yet. I'm still getting my acrylic in the mail soon. But so far, I just buffed my nails, and it works really, really well. I don't feel it ever vibrating too much to where it's hard to maneuver it, nor does it stop when I touch the nail, just like the other ones I've reviewed, or other ones I've purchased, sorry. So far, I really, really like it. This is one of the main things that I really, really wanted to get as far as a good brand and a good quality product. Like I said, I'm just starting to do nails again, so this is going to be like my pride and joy. If for whatever reason there are any more complications that come up, I will kind of edit the video or give an update, so to speak, on it. Like I said, I purchased this from Amazon, so if you're interested in doing nails again and you're looking for a good nail drill, I really, really recommend this one. I will put the link below in the comments, in the description, so you can see the brand and the seller that I purchased it from. That is the description. But it came with so many good things, and I was actually surprised that it came with all this stuff.
Were these included in the description?
I don't remember.
I don't remember seeing it.
Yeah, I don't remember seeing it, but I was super happy with everything, and these are really good nail files. Yeah, but just wanted to give y'all a little review on the things that I'm going to be getting in the mail to do my nails soon. This is one of the first things that I received, and so far I really, really do like it, and I feel like it's a good product and a good brand. It hasn't given me any problems. I didn't receive it broken or missing pieces, and yeah. I hope you liked this video. I will be doing more in the future when I get more things in, and I'll give y'all updates on products if I feel like they're just not up to standard how I thought they were going to be. I will, like I said, I will put the link below in the description if you want to purchase this one yourself. It was around $39.99, give or take, and 2 free day shipping. Thank you for watching.